What's up, guys? ItoSan here. I finally decided to build a smoke stopper. Probably most of you already know what a smoke stopper does. It prevents basically to burn things on your quad, like the flight controller or especially ESCs and so on, or VTX or camera, whatever. So I built this with this car lamp basically. It's a 12 volts car lamp, and yeah, it's kind of cool, quite easy to use. I had to make some different connections because inside the contacts were made in aluminium and solder one stick, so I had to arrange something else, but here we are. So basically I'm going to show you how it works. It's quite easy. So basically when you got a short circuit, the light bulb will turn on, and if you don't, it just stays off and current will flow without going through the bulb and lighting it up. So I'm connecting here a forest cell battery, LiPo, graphene, 1.8 amps from Hobby King, and I'm gonna simulate a short circuit with a cable, shorting out, bridging positive and negative of the battery. And this will prevent to blow or heat up the cable or blow the flight controller or anything on your quad, and will light up the bulb. I noticed that sometimes it makes a little spark, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it on camera now, but I'm gonna short this out and let's see if you can see it. 3, 2, 1, kind of scared. Boom, and the light goes on. So this means we got a short circuit on our quad, basically. If you guys know how to prevent to do even this little spark, please help out me and other viewers. Sometimes you can get a pretty short light because of your capacitors, especially big capacitors like 1000 microfarads. They load up with energy which can be packed in the capacitor for quite some time. Here we go again, and I don't know if you can see the spark on camera. I'm gonna cover the light bulb. See, there we go. So basically, as I was saying, let's see again. See, it made it a little smoky there. I don't like that. But still, most of the energy will go into the light bulb and not into the flight controller, so it still works. Sometimes to unload the capacitor, I short out the positive and negative on the XT60 connector on the quad, and this will unload it. You'll notice that when you plug the quad back to the battery again, there's no energy left in the capacitor, so there won't be any sparks and the light bulb won't light up. So basically that's it. It's quite an easy build. This is not a tutorial about a build, it's just a demo test. If you're interested in a build video, you can find a lot on YouTube, but if you want me to make one, I'm pretty happy to do it. So thanks a lot, guys. That'll do it, and happy flying.